I will show you how the program Minesweeper works. This is the sentence class. In the sentence class, we have the following functions. Known mines allows us to return the cells that are known to be mines within a sentence. Known safes returns the cells that are known to be safes within a sentence. This will work every time we have a sentence where all of the cells are mines in this case, or all of the cells are safes in this case. Here we have the logic to mark mines and mark safes, which are going to remove the cell that is known from a sentence, and in the case that this cell is a mine, will reduce the count. In the class Minesweeper, we have the main function, which is acknowledge. This function will we will mark the cell that we are clicking as safe. Of course, if we click a cell and we do not lose the game, then we know that that cell is safe. And here we will create a set of the cells that are around the cell that we have just clicked. We will iterate around all the cells that are around this cell, and we will add them to the cells set if we did not already know if this cell was a mine or a safe. And we will create a new sentence with this information, and we will also create a loop to add all the new knowledge that we have to the knowledge base. Here I created a while loop because each time we are adding or marking a cell as safe or a mine, we can make new inferences. So this loop will work until we check that each sentence has no information directly, meaning that each cell in the sentence is a mine, or each cell in the sentence is safe. And here we will return the safe cells for each sentence and mark them, and here we will mark each mine, and here we will compare each sentence to each other to see if we can have more inferences with them as shown in the understanding phase. We'll run the program. Play the game. We will make AI moves. Here we can see the program printing if it's making safe moves or random moves. And here we can see that it won the game. We'll try it one more time. And it won again. There we go.